Wall mount hairdryer with night light. With 1,600 watts of drying power, this compact and lightweight hairdryer features an LED night light. It's perfect for any size bathroom. Easy to install wall mount. This dryer's wall mount holds it securely in place and is easy to mount on most surfaces. Hardware included. Dryer shuts off automatically when placed in wall mount. Versatile function. Powered by 1,600 watts for quick and easy styling of all hair types. This hairdryer features 2 heat, speed settings, a 6-foot coil cord and removable filter for easy maintenance. Leader in hairdryers. From traditional bonnets to high-tech dryers equipped with cutting-edge technology, Conair has a great selection of hairdryers for every hair type and every hairstyle. Conair Haircare. Since 1959, we have made innovative small appliances, hair styling tools, and more. Our haircare line includes high-quality hair dryers, brushes, styling tools, and hair accessories. The wall mount compact hairdryer from Conair dries hair fast. With 1,600 watts of drying power in this compact dryer, 2 heat, speed settings and a 6FT coil cord, you can style your hair easily and quickly. Perfect for any size bathroom or living space. When done, the hairdryer clips securely onto the wall mount, shuts off automatically, and with the LED light feature, also functions as a night light. This wall mount dryer is on call to deliver everything you need in a compact, convenient package. The wall mount base holds the hairdryer securely in place and it is easy to mount on most surfaces, including a wall, ceramic tile or even a countertop. Hardware included. Top reviews from the United States. Space saving. The previous one worked for 9 years and finally died. Purchased the exactly same one to replace with that it can fit the original screw holes. It is the best space-saving hairdryer we can find.